Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and I'm actually recording this video for people who are very image conscious about network marketing. Okay, so there are so many people who start network marketing business, but sometimes people get very conscious about their image and they don't want to speak these two words like I'm into network marketing, these two words. Okay, so how to do network marketing for image conscious people? Okay, so why are you saying that you are into network marketing? Okay, just you can share that you are a consultant, business consultant, and see what we need to learn as a network marketer is to what we need to learn is to how to explain this concept in a very simple words, and don't directly share that this is a business. Don't take the business name. Instead, just share about what what you will get out of this business. Okay, people are more interested in that. Now, so for example, if anybody asks me what is this business, okay, first of all, excuse me for this noise. I'm in outside area right now, and some children are playing. Can you just show? Okay, so I'm right now just beside swimming pool. So I hope you just focus on what I'm saying right now. So basically, the thing is just try to explain this in a little different words. Okay, and it is all the game of words. So when we start network marketing, we start with very raw words. Okay, I have a business opportunity. Do you want to make 50,000 per month, like this? But now after this, what you have to do, you have to actually improve your words, okay, from raw words to fine words and to the super fine words. So if you want to try this, try to explain this concept in a super fine words, and it would be, I'm into a business, okay, or I was just looking forward. I was just looking for a business, a perfect business, and somewhere I just read about the a definition of a perfect business. A perfect business, in today's time, is a business which must have these five elements, and these five elements are dares. Okay, dares, which means DARES, dares. So D stands for do some business, which is D for digital. Okay, don't look for doing any business which is physical, because it will require huge capital investment. So D stands for digital. A stands for automation, a digital business where automation can be enabled. Okay, you can, your sales pitch, I mean, just as an example, I do email automation, webinar automation, and there's so many. I create digital assets, which actually these digital assets build business for me. And R stands for recurrent. Okay, recurrent stands for earning, where you earn again and again, recurrent income. Okay, E stands for evergreen. Evergreen means a business which is applicable, or which makes sense today, and it also should make sense in future as well. E stands for evergreen. And S stands for scalable. Scalable means a business which you can expand not only in India but outside India, and it should have a huge scalability. There should be no boundaries. Okay, so dares, DARES. So I was looking for a business which has all these five elements, and I found a business which has these five elements, and that is network marketing business. So this way, actually, I explain network marketing in little different words. So basically, what is the definition of a perfect business? First explain that, and then you can tell about network marketing. So if you are also looking for some business opportunity, you're actually searching on YouTube about the best business in 2023 and beyond, then just remember these five letters. Okay, there's DARES. And if you're looking forward to it, I want to invite you to network marketing. Check out all the links in the video description, and you can attend my next business presentation on this. But if you're already into network marketing, again, you can check out the link. I have some gift for you. Okay, looking forward to see you again in my YouTube videos, and also subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. Do share your comments in the video comment section also. Thank you, and see you in the next video.